What's the meaning of compulsively? Compulsively. Compulsively.
Compulsively. Compulsively. Compulsively refers to doing something in an irresistible or excessive way that is often difficult to control. When someone acts compulsively, they feel a strong urge to engage in the behavior regardless of any negative consequences that may result. This can lead to harmful or addictive behaviors such as substance abuse or gambling. Compulsive behavior can also interfere with everyday life and relationships, causing significant stress and disruption. Ultimately, acting compulsively can have serious negative impacts on one's physical and mental health, as well as their overall well-being.